We're going to explain how to add an XCI file to Ryujinx. First, you need to ensure you have Ryujinx installed and running. Then, locate the XCI file you want to add. This is usually a large file with the XCI extension. 1. Next, open Ryujinx. 2. You'll see a menu. Click on File. 3. From the File menu, select Open. 4. A file browser window will appear. Navigate to the location where you saved your XCI file. 5. Select the XCI file and click Open. Ryujinx will now begin loading the game. This might take a few moments depending on your system's specs and the size of the game. 6. If Ryujinx asks for additional files, such as keys, you'll need to obtain and provide these. Information on obtaining necessary keys is readily available via online Ryujinx communities and tutorials. Note that you'll need the correct keys for your specific game and system region. 7. If the game fails to launch or presents errors, double-check that you have the latest version of Ryujinx installed, and verify the integrity of your XCI file. A corrupted file can prevent the game from launching. Online resources may offer tools to verify the file's integrity. 8. Another potential issue is missing or incorrect firmware. Ryujinx requires specific firmware files to run certain games. Make sure you have the necessary firmware installed correctly. Refer to the Ryujinx documentation or online communities for assistance with this. 9. Ensure you have the correct system configuration set up within Ryujinx. It's important to choose the correct region and system version, for example, the console's firmware version, that matches your XCI file. Incorrect settings may lead to launch failures. 10. Finally, make sure you have sufficient storage space on your computer's hard drive or SSD. XCI files can be large, and Ryujinx may require additional space to create temporary files and save game data. If you encounter any further problems, refer to the Ryujinx official website for documentation and troubleshooting guides. Remember that using unauthorized copies of games is illegal.